Hi, I'm Sharon from I Restore Stuff, and I just wanted to give you a quick little demo of something that you may have been wondering about. So we sell these Klingon brushes. Now the Klingon, this is a P20, so the P range, they're bent like this, and sometimes I get the questions, what do you use these ones for? Why a bent brush? So let me just show you a couple of things that you can use that these are great for. So this chair that I'm sitting on, it has spindles. Let me show you. So the bent brush, if you had an ordinary brush, let me just grab sort of an ordinary, well, straighter brush with a straight angle. It's hard to get in those side bits because the rest of your brush is dinging over here, whereas with the bent brush, you can get those side portions. Also, look at these, look at the detail. Imagine getting in there like that, whereas the straight brush, it's a little bit harder to get in those grooves. So our bent brush, this one's a little bit wider. They do come, this is a P20, they come in 16 and small sizes. The other great thing that you can do with them, which I'll be doing now, is just showing you on this old box. Now this is a box that I actually keep my brushes in, our brand new brushes for sale. I display them, it's my display box. And I've painted this with Miss Mustard Seeds milk paint. See the lovely chipping there? And I'm going to give it a refresh. So as you notice, it's got these little nooks and crannies, little crevices in there. Needs a bit of a refresh paint. So I'm going to dip in here. Let me just pop you down. Instead of using my round straight brush, I'm going to use the bent brush to get into those crevices. So much easier. Watch this. See how it just gets in there and you don't have the brush knocking on the outside, and you can just pull the paint straight up. There you go. That's what I use them for. Let me know in the comments, what do you use your bent Klingon brushes for? So much easier to paint with them that way.